guys, welcome back. This is our first toy review from Amazon. A lady got in touch with me and asked me to review this product. Hang on, sorry, the cat is now eating my tripod. So to review this product, and it came, I literally ordered it yesterday and it came today. That's how quick the delivery was. It's an INNOCHEER Aqua Magic play mat. So it's one of those mats that
like you can write on water.
Write with water, that's it. Have a pen that you fill up with water and it's all magical, and when you write on the pad it comes out. Right, so should we have a look? Yeah?
I'm excited.
You're excited?
Me too.
Just pointing out, this actually costs just
nice.
$11.99, so we'll see what we've got inside this box.
Yeah. Let's get started.
Let's get started. Right. Should we open it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. It's actually got the instructions on the box right at the top as well.
Yeah, we need it. So
Go on then, put the mat out. Fold it all out. Oh, what are there?
I don't know.
Wow. Okay. It comes with, have you put it all out? Yeah, move it back. Move it back so we can all see. That's it. So let's hold it up so we can show the people, yeah? Show everyone. That is what the mat looks like, and it's a real decent size. So that's quite good. It feels quite thick as well, which is brilliant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Numbers.
That there letters, you know, big nana. Right, so in the box, right there, in the box it comes with like a little thing what you get and how to use it. It actually tells you as well after.
Mum, I'm doing those hearts, sorry.
Well, hang on a second then. It actually says there like how bright your lines are when you start painting, and then after a few minutes they fade, so it goes back clear again, which is quite good. So after it dries, it starts fading, which is good. Right, and it comes with these. What you got there? You got the pens and that there.
What's this?
That is the pen, I think, to fill up. Right, so it comes with an owl stencil with shapes in. That's quite good, isn't it, Gab?
I was wondering what this
Oh, it comes with a little booklet. Oh, look, it tells you what to draw. So it comes with an actual booklet of different things to draw. Oh, you can see that. So it comes, yeah, it comes with a little booklet with different things to draw. Yeah, Mummy's going to go and fill it up in a second.
How long does it take to fill it up?
2 seconds.
Wow.
Literally 2 seconds, you put the water in from the tap. It comes with a car stencil with letters on. We've got an elephant stencil. And then we've also got this just ruler, and then we've got like wiggly edges around there with numbers on. They're all the stencils. You get 4 stencils. This is for $11.99, which I think is quite good for your money.
Mum, we know what to do. I put a lid and then put it in the front of the water and then pull it.
That's right. Yeah, you do that.
Yeah. Mum, can you ask me questions before we move on?
Go on.
Where did you get it from?
Amazon?
Nice.
Yeah.
How long does it take to fill it up?
Literally, like I said, just put the water in. And that's it from the tap. Right, so in this bag we've got, hang on. In this bag we've got a little foam stencil, so I think you can just put them on there. Little shapes. Got a bird one. So we've actually got like hearts, triangles, circles, and these are all foam. So we've got them as well as the stencils. And then we have 3 pens. So we've got 3 pens. We've got one with a thicker nib on the end. We've got a paint brush feely one, which is quite small. And then we have a normal pen. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and fill these up with water, and then I'm going to let the kids go wild. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm back and I've filled up the pens. So basically all you have to do is just twist the tops off, fill them up with the water and then put the tops back on. That is how easy it is. So we've got 3, so which ones do you want? Oh, okay.
Any? No.
Pen or felt tip?
Okay.
Yeah.
You has that.
I'll have this one, so let's go.
I'm scared.
I'm guessing... Oh, wow, look at how quick the water's come through.
Is that
So I'll show you guys now how good it is.
it does colours you want.
Right, so this is how quick the water's come through. So what should we do? Should we draw some shapes? Should we draw this big owl? Oh wow.
I'm doing a love heart.
You're doing a love heart?
Yeah. For you and Dad.
For me and Cab?
Yeah.
That's lovely.
Is this nice?
Heart. What do you think of it, Gab?
That's good.
No, what do you think of the pens?
They're nice.
Do you like them?
Yep. Can I have Wait. No. They actually changed.
What do you mean?
Cool.
It's because they've got different underneath. It's like a big pattern underneath.
Mom, I don't.
So if you can see, guys, this is really enjoyable, isn't it, Gab? Could you sit here for hours and do it?
Yeah.
It's got the alphabets on, which is quite good.
I've done it.
You've done it, okay? I've just spilled it on the carpet. Never mind.
You're naughty.
Oh, naughty mum.
Naughty mom.
Go on then, try that now. Oh wow, there you go, that's worked.
That's
I think she wants to swap
Can we
pens
swap?
with you.
That's what.
Okay, so there you go. I'll have this one back. There you go. Yeah? So, are you guys enjoying yourselves?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you trying to do, Stevie Lee? So they're really easy as well for the kids to go and fill them up themselves. Not like you'd want them to, but it's quite easy. So, oh, would you like me to do that? So guys, as you can see, the kids absolutely love it, and I think it's definitely worth the money. It is brilliant, and it's definitely one of those things that I'd like to get for the kids for either a birthday or Christmas present. I think it is brilliant, and the stuff that you get with it as well, because you could normally purchase one of these with just the mat and one pen for the $11.99, and this comes with 3 pens, the mat, stencils and foam stencils. So it's brilliant, to be honest, it really is. So I'll leave the link down below where you can purchase this on Amazon, and go over and have a look, because it is definitely worth the money that you're paying for it. And you girls enjoy it, don't you? You girls enjoy it, don't you?
Yes.
Mum,
Yeah.
do you know when you stop playing with it and it's still wet, does it dry up?
It dries and it
then
goes
you can
back white
restart.
again, and then you can do it all
Yes.
again. Okay, so that is the end of our toy review.
No, Mum, can I have it so size in a minute?
No, you can keep this out for 5 minutes if you want to. Go on.
Goodbye and have fun and stay sweet and always be kind to each other.
That's right.
Then come back to a minute and then come back so here and then you will see
What
us
do
next
what do you
time.
say? Give
Thank you.
Mum.
No,
Thumbs
give us a big thumbs up. Right, so yes guys, I will see you all soon, and I hope you like this content. If you did, then please give us a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel to see more of our content, and we'll see you all soon, yeah? I'm going to say bye girls.
up. Bye.
Bye.